Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a ACCREDITATION Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a ACCREDITATION Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management, or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary
full of promise and opportunity. We are also poised to continue our commitment to excellence in higher education through the second cycle of the Bicol University's AACCUP institutional accreditation. The AACCUP accreditation is a vital milestone that allows us to assess, elevate, and ensure that the quality of education we provide is both relevant and transformative, not only for our students but also for the society we serve. It embodies our collective efforts to create an environment where academic rigor, research excellence, and responsive leadership come together in meaningful ways to foster personal growth, professional development, and societal progress. And so, welcome to the opening program of the second cycle of the Bicol University's AACCUP institutional accreditation by our collective vision and the values we uphold. Please stand for the invocation and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led and conducted by the BU Chorale respectively.
Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, oh, where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. Oh, divine Master, grant that I may not so much to be understood, as to understand Pwela sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyang ka ng magiting, sa banlulupig, di ka masisipig. Sa tatat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong buka, may nilagang tula katawid sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagnilingning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan ang may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated. Thank you very much to our BU Chorale, and also we'd like to thank Professor Apple Rubio, the trainer of the BU Chorale. At this point in time, friends, the woman who has been at the helm and lead of the Bicol University Institutional Accreditation, making sure that everything is prepared. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our very own Vice President for Academic Affairs for the greetings and to introduce the BU officials and Institutional Accreditation Task Force. A round of applause, please, to Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris.
This. Allow me to begin my opening message by acknowledging everyone present on this historical day of Bicol University. Our visionary leader, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin de la Peña Libres III. My partners in the top management, the three vice presidents, Dr. Lani Maceda, VP Sunny Ramos, and VP Cyrus Barameda. The hardworking middle managers, our academic deans and directors, together with their associate deans and directors, academic-related deans and directors, heads of offices, program chairs, coordinators, faculty members, ever supportive non-teaching personnel, members of the various working and area committees, students, and most especially to our honored guests, the high-caliber accreditors of the AACCUP, Dr. Anthony Pinaso, Dr. Emily Arangote, Dr. Luis Sorolla, who is joining this team for the second time. If you remember, friends, he was also with us during the cycle 1 of our institutional accreditation back in 2019. Thank you, sir. Dr. Cecilio Manarpaak, Professor Jocelyn Salviejo, and of course, the indefatigable, and we all call her in the AACCUP, the exceptional Executive Director of the AACCUP, and the team coordinator, Dr. Melabel Iho and her team. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Ladies and gents and everyone in between, my warmest greetings to all of you. Magandang umaga, and it's still fitting for me to say, Happy New Year to all. With great honor and deep sense of purpose, we welcome you all to Bicol University's institutional accreditation. This is a momentous event for our beloved Bicol University, an occasion to boldly reaffirm our commitment to quality and excellence, reflect on our achievements, and project a future rooted in continuous improvement and growth. Bicol University stands today with renewed strength and determination, demonstrating the resilience of our past and present administrators, faculty, staff, and students who, despite the challenges brought about by various internal and external factors such as the highly dynamic weather, which challenged us during our preparation for this institutional accreditation, we have come together to uphold the mission of Bicol University. My fellow workers in Bicol University, our dedication and unwavering resolve have made today's milestone possible, and we are honored to exhibit our collective accomplishments to our esteemed accreditors. Reflecting on 2019, during the first cycle of our institutional accreditation, Bicol University stood as a vibrant institution with promise and purpose. Since then, we have made significant advances, weathering both literal storms and unforeseen trials of the global pandemic. COVID-19 redefined how we deliver education, underscoring the resilience of our programs and people. Forced to adapt, we embraced innovative solutions, adopted flexible learning modalities, and harnessed the power of digital technology to ensure that learning, service, and engagement with our community endured. Through those challenging times, our mission has never wavered. Instead, we have grown stronger and more united in purpose. This accreditation journey showcases the profound growth and progress Bicol University has achieved since 2019. Our governance has become more transparent and effective, with strengthened leadership committed to fostering a culture of collaboration and inclusivity. Our academic management has seen transformative changes, adapting our curriculum and instructional strategies to align with the latest standards in higher education, preparing our students for the demands of the ever-evolving world. Research and extension, both mandated functions of our university, have reached new heights, with our faculty, staff, and students engaged in impactful projects that address regional, national, and even global challenges. In student services, we have expanded support systems to ensure holistic development, responding to the diverse needs of our students with empathy and integrity. Moreover, our commitment to resource and infrastructure development is evident through significant investment in modern facilities, laboratories, libraries, student spaces designed to foster a conducive learning and growth and collaborative environment. We have instituted rigorous mechanisms and quality assurance, continuously redefining our process or refining our process to ensure we meet and exceed the highest standards. The improvements we will report to our evaluators during this 5-day accreditation didn't come by chance. They result from sustained and intentional efforts across the university community. This determination to raise the bar of quality and excellence stems from our collective desire to honor our commitments to our students and stakeholders and to ourselves. As an institution dedicated to the pursuit of truth, humanistic service, and excellence. As we look forward to this accreditation process, we do so with solid resolve to learn, grow, and keep pushing forward, ready to address opportunities for further improvement. As we open this week of institutional accreditation, let us be reminded that Bicol University's journey toward excellence is continuous. Our resolve to pursue higher levels of achievement and quality in all aspects of our institution remains steadfast, driven by our vision of shaping our nation's future leaders and beyond to serve humanity. With determination and optimism, we look forward to the guidance and insights our esteemed accreditors will share, viewing this process as an evaluation and a pathway for greater heights. Thank you, and let us keep this spirit of excellence burning bright as we embark on yet another chapter of Bicol University's inspiring journey. So let us enjoy this hard work, because hard work is always good work. Thank you everyone for listening. And now, thank you. At this point, please allow me to proceed to my next task, which I am always honored to perform. To introduce the officials of Bicol University, and of course, the great men and women behind this institutional accreditation, the members of the Institutional Accreditation Task Force. Of course, we have, as I've said, the visionary leader of Bicol University, our president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 5. SUC President 4. Is that a good premonition? By the way, as I introduce the officials and the members, you may raise to be acknowledged so that our esteemed accreditors can see your beauty on screen and in person. And we have the 4 vice presidents. We have Professor Sunny A. Ramos, Mr. Cyrus Barameda, yours truly, Maria Julieta B. Bores, and Dr. Lani Maceda. Our academic deans and directors, we have Dr. Jane B. Mascareñas, the Dean of the Graduate School, Dr. Benedicto Balili Jr., the Dean of our Open University, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo, Director of the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata, the Dean of College of Law, Dr. Ophelia Samar C., the Dean of the College of Medicine, Dr. Charlene A. Luzilo, the Dean of the College of Dental Medicine, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, the Dean of BU Pulangi, Dr. Rosefi E.D., the Dean of BU Ginubatan, Dr. Dimson Rivero, Dean of the College of Business Economics and Management, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Dr. Lorna M. Minya, the Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Karina L. Sares, the Director of the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Dr. Adrian B. Aguilar, the Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, Professor soon-to-be Dr. Jocelyn E. Serrano, the Dean of the College of Science, Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo, the Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, the Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez, the Dean of the College of Engineering, Architect Maureen Seya, the Officer in charge of the Director, OIC Director of the BU Institute of Design and Architecture, Professor Escorseni de Jesus, the Officer in charge of BU Tobacco, Dr. Rosemary R. Haji, the Director of, or the Dean of BU Gubat. We come now to the heads of offices under the office of the President, starting from the Chief Presidential Management Staff. We have Dr. Reyna O. Habalo. Our Acting University and Board Secretary is Professor Dave Stonga. Our Legal Officer is Attorney Darrell Redoblado. Our OIC Chief Internal Audit Services is Madam Jocelyn L. Core. Our OIC of the International Relations Office is Professor Evangeline D. Honrado. The Director of the ICTO is Dr. Aris J. Ordonez. Dr. Renalyn E. Bautista is our Director of the CPRO. The Director of the Alumni Relations Office is Dr. Charina J. Sepcon. Our Director of the Center for Gender and Development is Dr. Noel Arefer. And Dr. Eddie S.C. is the Assistant to the President for Special Concerns. For the heads of offices under the Office of the Vice President for Administration and Finance, we have the following. Ms. Maria Mayra A. Caparas is the OIC Chief, Administrative Services Division. Dr. Jennifer B. Barameda is the Supervising Administrative Officer of Human Resource Management and Development Office. Engineer Vincent Orozco is the Director of the Procurement Management Office. Ms. Salvacion L. Padilla is the Head of the Supply and Property Management Office. Madam Shelo L. Hilo is the Head of Records Management Office. Dr. Jason L. Abrigo is the Head of the Motor Pool Services Office. Mr. Erwin Madraso is the Head of Security Service Office. Mr. J.K. L. Mular is the Head of the General Services Office. Attorney Lloyd P. Casases is the Chief Finance Service Division. Ms. Karen L. Caballero is our University Budget Officer. Mr. Joseph Lopera is the University Chief Accountant. And Ms. Maria Cecilia M. Morales is our University Cashier. For the heads of offices under the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs, of course, we have the very busy lady. Since when? Dr. Leonela B. Barbacena, our Director of the Internal Quality Assurance Office. Dr. Henny P. Lumibaw is our Dean of the University Admission Office. Dr. Rameses M. Loreno is our University Registrar. Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial is our Acting Dean, Office of the Student Affairs and Services. Madam Glenda Aurora S. Holyanda is our University Librarian. Dr. Sean Marie M. Liana is our Head of the University Health Services. Dr. Leticia M. Lopez is the Director of the Language Center, and Professor Eduardo Tadeos M. Livica Jr. is the Director of the National Service Training Program. May I now proceed to the heads of offices under the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. We have Dr. Elmer A. Lorenzana, the Director of Research, Development, and Management Division. Dr. Maria Corazon Pirico is the Director of the Extension Management Division. Professor Erwin E. Torres is the Director of the Publication and Knowledge Management Division. Professor Alfonso M. Piñol Jr. is the Director of the BU Fabrication Laboratory. Dr. Nicanor B. Balbin is the Director of the Intellectual Property Management Division. Professor Maria Crispina B. Baldazar is the Director of the Bicol University Regional Center for Food Safety and Quality Assurance. Dr. Arnulfo P. Malin is the Director of the BU Center for Technology, Commercialization, and Enterprise Development. Dr. Rebecca Rosario O. Bercasio is the Director of the BU Center of Teaching Excellence. Dr. Magnolia Vida A. Cano is the Director of BU Regional Center for Science and Mathematics Education. And Professor Maria Janessa A. Reyes is the Director of BU Regional Food Innovation and Commercialization Center. For the heads of offices under the Office of the Vice President for Planning and Development, we have the following. Professor Alwin Joseph M. Maceres is the Director of the Planning and Development Office. Engineer Oliver E. Aligan is the Director of the Physical Development and Maintenance Office. Professor Carlos B. Cortez Jr. is the Director of the Special Project Preparation Office. Engineer Carmela R. Mirandilla is the Director of Resource Generation and Physical Assets Management and Office. And Dr. Rosby N. Loraya is the Director of our Business Affairs Office. We come now to the members of the various area committees of this institutional accreditation. Starting from Area 1, Governance. Of course, the chair is none other than our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres. The co-chair is Dr. Reyna O. Habalo. And the following are the members: Attorney Daryl Redoblado, Attorney Lloyd Casases, Attorney Maria Fiona Imperial, Dr. Rose B. Nacion Lauraya, Professor Alwin Maceres, Dr. Aris Ordonez, Dr. Leticia Lopez, Mr. Cyrus Bermeda, Dr. Renalyn Bautista, Dr. Rose V. D., and Dr. Adrian Aguilar. For Area 2 Task Force, yours truly, as the chair, and my co-chair is Dr. Lorna M. Minya. And these are our members: Dr. Rebecca Rosario Obercasio, Dr. Irene Moral, Professor January B. De Chavez, Professor Melissa Jenke S. Rillion, Dr. Maria Teresa Abainsa, Dr. Mark Harris Lim, Professor Rogelyn Samar, Professor Janet E. Zay Zalinel, Dr. Maria Cecilia P. Aguilar, and the rest of the 20 academic deans and directors, which I have already introduced a while ago, and still part of Area 2. Of course, we have the associate deans and directors of the different colleges and campuses, and please allow me to mention their names. We have Dr. John Mark M. Mayor, Professor Rachel Kate Piquera, Dr. Geraldine B. Adviento, Ms. Marnie A. Morano, Dr. Roldan Cabeles, Engineer Rolando Desilio, Professor Arlene Balieras, Professor Sheila B. Disuyo, Dr. Imelda Asuncion S. Barce, Dr. Florida Relucio, Professor Gerald H. Estelier, Professor Christian C., and Ms. Fatima Kalingasyon. We come now to Area 3, Faculty and Staff. The chair is none other than our Vice President for Administration and Finance. We have Mr. Cyrus Bermeda, and the co-chair is Dr. Jennifer T. Bermeda. So it appears this is a powerhouse, being the chaired and co-chaired by the power couple of Bicol University. And the members are the following: yours truly, Dr. Jonathan Arroco, Dr. Noemi Ibo, Dr. Mary Joy B. Sande, Professor Indira Tabo, Professor Sheila Disuyo, Professor Maureen Maceres, and Professor Marnie Morano. We proceed now to the next area, which is Area 4, Research. The chair or key person is none other than our VP for Research and Extension, Dr. Lani L. Maceda. The co-chair is Dr. Arnulfo P. Malines, and we have the following members: Dr. Elmer Lorenzana, Dr. Magnolia V. Dacano, Professor Janessa Reyes, Dr. Nicanor Balbin, Professor Erwin Torres, Dr. Rebecca Rosario Obercasio, Professor Maria Crispina Baldazar, Professor Alfonso M. Peñol Jr., Professor Agnes Lasim, and Dr. Maria Celina Elijah G. Menezes. Moving on to Area 5, Extension Consultancy and Linkages. The chair or key person is Dr. Marcia Corazon P. Rico, and the co-chair is Professor Evangeline D. Honrado. The following are the members: Dr. Dimson Rivero, Professor Rowena Zoilo, Professor Catherine E. Ivasco, Professor Cherry M. Dicoco, Mr. Gary Melbulawan, Ms. Annalyn Barredo, Professor K.G. Losabia, Professor Edgardo Bismonte, and Mr. Roldan Cabilis. For Area 6, Support the Student, our chair and key person is Professor Dabes L. Tonga. The co-chair is the Dean of Admission, Dr. Henny P. Lumibao. And we have the following members: Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, Dr. Ramirez Lorino, Dr. Charina Sipcon, Dr. Sean-Marie Marcos Soliana, Dr. Noel Refer, Dr. Evelyn Oliquino, Dr. Annalyn de Marceliana, Professor Dennis Merabueno, Professor Michael Alagaban, Professor Hilardo Adru Revilla, Professor Gerard Patacio, Madam Rosario G. Frick, and Dr. Jocelyn Bartolata. For Area 7, Library, we have our University Library as the chair, Madam Glenda Aurora Julianda, and the rest of the members are Ms. Rona Beth Elfeder, Ms. Laila Belardo, Miss Flor-de-Lis Mirabueno, Mr. Raymond Azul, and Professor Gladys Serafica. For Area 8, Infrastructure and Other Learning Resources, the key person or the chair is none other than our VP for Planning and Development, Professor Sunny A. Ramos. The co-chair is Engineer Oliver E. Aligan, and we have the following members: Engineer Carmela R. Mirandilla, Dr. Romel Evan J. Paje, Dr. Amelio Gonzalez, Dr. Aris J. Ordonez, Mr. Rolly N. Monte Alegre, Mr. Adrian Rodriguez, Ms. Glenda Aurora S. Hollanda, and Professor Aleta Amador. And finally, the last but not the least area is Area 9, Quality Assurance Culture. And we have the chair, Dr. Lunela B. Barbacena, and the rest of the members of the IQA as the members, and they are the following: Dr. Sheila I. Arroco, Dr. Anthony Cabrillas, Professor Glinton Gariba, Professor Maria Julita B. Obeles, and Professor Emma L. Macariola as the editor. So there you have it, friends. I think I was able to perform my 2 functions this morning. Let us look forward to a productive and meaningful, and I have to add, successful 1-week institutional accreditation, Cycle 2. Mabuhay!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Porres. As we move forward, it is important to recognize that the direction, details, and overall preparations for this significant accreditation process have been carefully guided and overseen by our leadership. True to his vision, our university president places the highest priority on ensuring that quality remains at the core of everything we do at Bicol University. Without further ado, let us now welcome our university president, the SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to deliver his message and the President's report.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dan. To the Director of the Internal Quality Assurance Office and the team, Dr. Lunela Barbacena, our esteemed team from the AACCUP, accreditors headed by Dr. Mila Belho, the ever beautiful Madam, Dr. Anthony Pinaso, President of Bohol Island State University, Dr. Emily M. Arangote, the equally beautiful first female president of Aklan State University, Dr. Luis M. Sorolio Jr., the former president and chairman of AACCUP Board of Justice, Professor Jocelyn Salviejo, the chairperson of the Library Services of the Ifugao State University, Dr. Cecilio Manarpaak, the former director of the University Quality Assurance Center of the Palawan State University, and the technical staff, Ms. Marilyn De La Cruz, Mr. Dominic Martinez, the members of the Bicol University administrations, the 4 vice presidents, deans and directors, heads and chiefs of offices and units, faculty and non-teaching personnel, students, my Bicol University family, sarong maimbong na aga po sa Indogabos. 5 years ago, the journey of the Bicol University community to institutional accreditation began. We are thankful for the mark of excellence you have given us through our Level 3 rating, and we take pride in the collective efforts of the entire Bicol University family. Today, after 5 years, and with our steadfast commitment to quality education, we are honored once again to mark a significant milestones in Bicol University continuing journey towards excellence. The collective efforts of the past administrations and leaders of Bicol University has left an indelible mark on the profile of excellence of our beloved university. These have served us well to ensure that the current administration has something solid and strong to build on and build up further. To sustain what we have and further build up on what we can still achieve, we always turn to quality assurance. If it is quality assurance, we only think of one steadfast partner, the Association of Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities in the Philippines, or the AACCUP, that has witnessed how Bicol University has further blossomed in the premier state university in the Bicol region. Quality assurance is a culture that we want to establish fully. I am happy to note that this is the culture in Bicol University and the rest of the higher education institutions. One thing that is unique about Bicol University family is its ability to work together in spite of our diversities and different mindset. This allows us to fix our gaze on the goals at hand as we work for a common vision. Collaborative service is a hallmark of a university for humanity. Our decision to embark on this second cycle institutional review process is a testament to our fervent desire to ensure quality assurance in all areas of our operation. From governance to quality assurance, we are cognizant that passing the standards and being awarded the accreditation status by no less than the AACCUP, a highly reputable accrediting agency in the country, is crucial in fulfilling our mission of providing quality education anchored on a humanistic approach to provide a holistic experience to our students. Consequently, this sustained partnership with the AACCUP has shaped the practice of the entire Bicol University family, with accreditation becoming a way of life and a quality assurance culture for the BU personnel. To our competent accreditors, as you peruse the documents, which the 9 areas have meticulously prepared to you, I pray for wisdom, strength, and patience to guide you all throughout this week-long quality assurance duties. May you see the core values of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, distinctive character, and collaborative service in the outputs that we have diligently prepared. Rest assured that these core values are the guiding principles that govern our practice in the university and are continuously refined and sustained under our latest vision of a university for humanity, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character in building sustainable societies. To my beloved BU family, especially the faculty and staff and the local task force of the 9 areas, thank you for your tireless support and meaningful engagement in achieving our vision, mission, goals, and objectives, and adhering to our quality policy. This is also a testament to the strong leadership of the respective deans and directors, program advisors, and department chairpersons. The entire Bicol University administration commends your indomitable spirit to take on the challenge of this institutional accreditation. Your hard work, passion, and dedication are the driving forces behind our success. This is the proof of your commitment to ensure that Bicol University as an academic institution remains responsive, relevant, and continuously evolving in today's highly competitive world. Let us continue to strive for excellence in all that we do and remain committed to our mission of educating and inspiring the next generation of leaders, innovators, and change makers. And now, I would today, as we continue our journey towards quality education, allow me to present the profile of excellence of Bicol University. Upon assumption of office as the 9th Bicol University President, March 9 of 2020, we have already set our sights on the second cycle of the AACCUP, Institutional Accreditation. Over the past years, we have worked tirelessly to enhance our academic programs, improve our facilities, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Our latest accomplishment as part of our profile of excellence is sustaining the 3 stars for the Quacquarelli-Simon Intelligence Unit ranking, with significant improvements on internationalization, inclusiveness, and the nursing program subjected for evaluation. Our accomplishments on advanced and higher education services has continuously given Bicol University the distinction of being a top-performing school in teacher education, social work, nursing, engineering, law, and architecture. Having consistently maintained our rating above the national performance in various board examinations, giving us the reputation as the leading state university in the entire Bicol region. Quality assurance, work through accreditation, and program compliance have greatly helped us in achieving quality status of our program. This has ensured our consistent above the national passing average for our various licensure examinations, performances with notable top performances in the licensure exams for social workers, medicine, registered master plumber, psychometrician, food technologist, nursing, law, architecture, education, accountancy, chemistry, and engineering. We have sustained our status as Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, with BU being DepEd's Teacher Training Institute. We have two Center of Development in nursing. We know that we can accomplish so much more for Bicolano scholars and those that we serve beyond the university borders. It is our fervent hope that with continued recognition through quality assurance, we will able to build an even brighter future for our university and our community. Thank you for consistently joining us in building an even brighter and better Bicol University. Diyos ang magbalo sa gatas.
Thank you so much, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our university president. At this point, we are honored to hear from the AACCUP Executive Director and Team Coordinator, who will introduce the institutional accreditation team and share the statement of purpose. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Milabel E. Ho. Let's give her a big round of applause.
I start by saying Marhay na aga. And I continue by also saying Mamuraway na bagong taon. And I'd like to say and stress that I come from Zamboanga, and I would like to say Feliz Año Nuevo a todos. For those who do not understand Spanish, I just said, you're all beautiful. But anyway, I think this is really the day that the Lord has made, because in your opening salvo, in our opening, sabi nga in our doxology, you said that, Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Today, we are the instruments of peace. And may our relationship in Bicol University. We are really proud because Bicol University is one of the earliest which had been accredited and earned level 3. So therefore today, you should really work harder and make sure that that level 3 goes up to level 4 and not yet level 5, because your president is only level 4, SUC 4, okay, President? Now, therefore, it is your vision, before I start, it is your vision to have a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. That's why today AACCUP has sent to you a very powerful team. And I say powerful not only because they hold high positions and they are exemplary in their various posts, but power because they have the power to give you a passing mark or a failing mark. And so therefore, I think you will get really 1 point less, because among all my pictures, this is the one that I really do not like. But anyway, since it's New Year and polka dot is really the theme, no? Except the color today is phantom. And it is what I'm wearing. Because it's the color of the year. But do not underestimate green and red. Yes. Congratulations for your correct answer. And so therefore, let us start. Next time when you invite me, please get the picture that I like. And the picture that I like is that of the Korean telenovela. For all those who have not seen when the phone rings, dial the number. Okay, so let's start now. And so let's start. So this is now our AACCUP Institutional Accreditation Team for Bicol University, Legazpi City, as well as Daraga. You know, before when I come here, mga binibining at Ginoo, tayo po ay lalapag na sa paliparan ng Legazpi. Pero ngayon, nagulat ako. Kasi pagising ko, mga binibini at Ginoo, tayo ay lalapag na sa paliparan ng Daraga. So, manatiling nakaupo hanggang tayo ay binigyan na ng pahintulot na pwede na tayo magkuha ng ating mga kagamitan sa ating cabin. Thank you po. Okay, so now, University of San Jose Recoletos. Next, please. External Evaluator of Research in-house reviews of public and private HEIs in the country and book author of methods of research. That's why his favorite area is research. Unfortunately, today, he is given Area 1. Okay, so let's see. One of the smiling presidents of the country who's very, very near to the Lord because of a very special man in her life. And my idol, Pastor. So she's the lead accreditor for Area 2, Teaching, Learning, and Evaluation, and Area 3, Faculty and Staff. Remember that Dr. Emily Arangote is a retired but never tired president of Aklan State University, former member of the AACCUP Board of Trustees because she retired in June 16, no? Okay, and I think currently she sits as a member of the Board of Regents of ASU, or Aklan State University. She's a pioneering leader and esteemed educator, renowned as the first female president of Aklan State University and respected member of the AACCUP Board of Trustees. Former SUC President 3 and now retired from government. And she is celebrated for her expertise in educational management and essentials of management. Dr. Arangote is a sought-after speaker, sharing insights at national, regional, and local events across SUCs, LGUs, and government agencies. So that's precisely, if you see Dr. Emily M. Arangote, M is for marvelous, magnanimous, and more importantly, magnetic. And so let us move. Her leadership has driven impactful initiatives in internationalization, curriculum development, quality assurance, and policy advocacy with far-reaching contributions locally and globally. Next, please. Currently serving as Professor Emeritus in the Graduate Studies at Aklan State University since her retirement in August 2024 to present. Dr. Arangote's accolades include Outstanding Aklanon in Education 2023, Outstanding Alumni from Northwestern Visayas Colleges in 2022, and the Bravo Empowered Woman Award for Education by Security Bank and the Sona Club of Makati and Environs 2021. Dr. Arangote's enduring commitment to education and leadership continues to inspire future generations, embodying a legacy of excellence, empowerment, and service to both her community and the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Dr. Emily M. Arangote. Next, please. Our lead accreditor for Area 4, the Boy Scouts of the Philippines Iloilo Council, and just as I've said and described Dr. Emily Arangote, is retired but not yet tired of service, living the essence of AACCUP acronym, which stands for I serve all the time unselfishly. Let us give him a big round of applause. I serve all the time unselfishly. The next lead accreditor, Area 6, Support to Students, and Area 7, Library, we have Professor Jocelyn Salviejo. She earned her Master in Library Science. She's also a Senior AACCUP accreditor. Next, please. No. Yung kay ma'am, yun lang ba, ma'am? Well, are you sure? Anyway, we will have to. So, our, please return. Please return to the earlier slide. Professor Jocelyn Salviejo is also a senior accreditor of AACCUP, and most of the time, because she's a librarian, she accredits the same two areas. And so therefore, we welcome Professor Jocelyn Salviejo, Chairperson, Library Services, Ifugao State University. Next, please. Our lead accreditor for Area 8, Infrastructure and Other Learning Resources, and Area 9, Quality Assurance Culture, we welcome Dr. Cecilio Manarpaak. He's a retired Associate Professor 5, former Director of the University of Palawan State University Quality Assurance Center. Also, next slide please. He's a part-time professor of Western Philippines University, Aborlan, Palawan, former secretary and member of AACCUP Board of Trustees, senior program and institutional AACCUP accreditor, trainer, lecturer of AACCUP, Luzon, NCR. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Dr. Cecilio L. Manarpaak. Next, please. That's the picture I like. So, ladies and gentlemen, earlier on, I was so discouraged and disgruntled. Now I'm happy. But sadly, this picture came from AACCUP and not Bicol University. So, but anyway, yours truly is the current executive director of AACCUP and a former president of Western Mindanao State University, a flexible learning tutor of Simeo and UTEC, and there's no much to talk about. Anyway, T. Martinez has been with our IT for so long, and he is our management staff for institutional accreditation, conference, and training. Okay, so ladies and uploaded documents that you have submitted. Particularly, I would like now to make it known that today, January 6 and 7, we will have to finalize our interviews, our visits, and also our review of documents for the area of Dr. Sorolla, Research and Extension, and also the library and student services. Take note that all of the documents that you have uploaded has already been read. Your self-survey will not be in any way influence the creditors, as still they will have to validate the uploaded documents. Now, that will be for January 8. On January 9, okay, on January 8 in the afternoon, you will also have exit conference, not only with the areas assigned to Dr. Salviejo and Dr. Sorolla, but you will also have an exit conference for the area only with Dr. Penaso. Okay? So, on the 8th and on the 9th, because Dr. Penaso will have to exit because of an urgent appointment as well. But they already have your tentative scoring. But this is not yet final. On the 10th, okay, now, you will notice that each area will have its own exit conference. Because on the final meeting that we will be having on the 10th, all those areas or recommendations which have already been trashed out in the individual exit conference will no longer be tackled on the 10th. So that means to say, on the 10th, we will give you our general recommendations and impressions. So on the 10th, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, that will be our exit conference. And the exit conference will have Ma'am Dr. Arangote, Dr. Manarpaak, Dr. Ho, and our team. Doctors Sorolla, Dr. Salviejo, and Dr. Penaso will already be finished by that time. However, if there are documents that you would like to submit, because during your individual conference, you have make pahabol, we will gladly accept it. Okay? That's precisely why we stay. Some members remain because if there are still documents that are supposed to be submitted, then we welcome it. If and when the documents are ready via soft copy, no need to give us the hard copy. Directly send it to the respective accreditors to their email. And upload it as well in the area of documents in your Google link. Okay? Now, for all the others who will still have pahabol in hard copies, Dr. Arangote will be around to collect them. Okay? So if there are questions, you can freely text at the group chat. So lahat kayo may group chat, right? You are encouraged to create a group chat. But don't please avoid saying or greeting happy birthday, good morning, kasi po ang gusto lang natin doon yung official messages. Okay? Save your greetings for the next 5 years when we see each other again. So ladies and gentlemen, I always say all of these beautiful opportunities that we gain are all from the Lord. That's why we say, to God be the highest glory. And today, as we start another year, then we say that may God be with us as we journey on and on. I'd like to say already congratulations at this time because we already have seen a lot of transformation, innovation, and motivation, and all the solution that you have not done in the past. But I always would like to end with the Philippine Airline tagline, you are the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin Dr. Milabel E. Ho, the Executive Director of the AACCUP and the Team Coordinator. Once again, thank you so much, Dr. Ho, for giving us the statement of purpose and for introducing your dedicated team. We truly believe that with your powerhouse team's expert guidance, Bicol University will continue to refine and elevate the practices and processes to foster even greater growth and excellence. And now, dear friends, it's time for an intermission number. Let us enjoy the performances of the Albay Magayon Dance Troupe and Cuerdas Operandi. What about hello, hello, hello. What about the big round of applause to the BU Magayon Dance Troupe and the Cuerdas Operandi? Thank you for that magnificent performance. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the closing of our program this morning, I would like to request everyone to please stand for the community singing of the Bicol University hymn, accompanied by the Bicol University Chorale. Thank you so much, Bicol University Chorale. Please be seated, everyone. As we conclude the opening program for the second cycle of the Bicol University's institutional accreditation, we are reminded of the collective efforts, dedication, and commitment that have brought us to this point. This pursuit of continuous improvement is about meeting standards and shaping a future that upholds excellence in instruction, research, and extension as mandates of the university. With the committed leadership of our esteemed officials, the guidance of our accreditors team, and the collaboration of our entire university community, we are confident that Bicol University will continue to thrive as the center of knowledge, innovation, and societal transformation. This has been your host, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Roldan Cabeles from Bicol University Graduate School and Open University. And I say, Dios mabalos, marahay na aga sa satuya gabos. May we request for the photo opportunity first with the accreditors and our Bicol University officials. Requesting from the
Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli-Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management, or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a AACCUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. It Asian Universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University, or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACCUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities